Dylan, this is Val again from Affordable. So today we'll be showing you how to replace a thermostat. As you can see, we have one here. This is the one that we're going to be putting in. It's a touchscreen, programmable. You can do a couple other little tricks on there as well. So what we're going to first do is pull the thermostat casing off the wall, and you'll get back to this second mount. So that's the mount that mounts to the wall. We got two screws here, 1 and 2. So what I like to do is I usually unscrew one, take out all the way, the other halfway, and I will be going into the most important one. So this here is your 24 volts. Okay, so what you want to do is with that 24 volt, you want to take that wire, unscrew it first, all the way, take that wire out, and put it so it doesn't touch any other wire. So I usually just put it in the back there, out of the way, right? So then we could just go and unscrew the rest of the wires. Okay, you do that like so. Once you have that done, you could kind of get this bolt off. Once you get that bolt off, the thermostat is free now. So what you do is nice and simple. Wiggle it out, wiggle it out. One more wire. So once you wiggle out those wires, you want to first put your anchors in the wall. So you can see that hole right there. So that has an anchor already. This will be the second anchor that's going to go in here. So move the wires out of the way so you do not get shocked. You put the anchor in there like so. Okay. What I like to do with them is take a screwdriver and give it a little, so it goes in a little further. Next we'll be taking our new thermostat housing. So of course we take the back of this thermostat apart. We have two. We take this housing here. What you want to do is make sure that red wire doesn't touch anything and it doesn't fall behind the wall. So try not to have them touch at all. So what we do here, we just kind of mount the thermostat visually. It's going upside down like this. Okay, and it always has on the back of the thermostat, most of them have been up, so you can kind of know which way so you don't have to take it apart. So then we mount this volt here. Take our second driver. Make sure you get it in the hole, of course. Nope. That anchor is a little loose, so okay, and now you want to hook up our wiring. So our wiring here, we would have 5 wires. So we have our red, our yellow, our white, our common, and green. So you want to start with the most obvious, is you want to do the green one. So you want to get that out of the way. So you know what, we're going to do the red first. Red, there's a jumper between red and red coals. You want to put it into the R position. Get it in there. Okay, so we have a single stage, one heat, one cool thermostat. So then you have the yellow position is going to be the white, the yellow. Here you could just, with these, you could already put them all in the holes and then come back and tighten. So you got the white, you have the yellow mellow. Oh, just give it a little tuck in there. You have the green here, like so. Right? You want to just go ahead and tighten those up. Now last but not least, you have the common. To that, what you want to do is just take and just give all the wires a pull. Let's see. Sometimes a little hard being short, but okay. We'll tighten all those up. There she goes. You could use a little screwdriver to kind of push the wire, hold it in place. Then you want to readjust in case if you see they all slip the hole or something. Once that's in, roughly level. Now then what you want to do is go ahead and mount that thermostat on the wall. Here it's telling you to set the date and time. But thank you for watching our videos. This is Val from Affordable Fixes at AffordableHVACPA.com. Thank you.